How to catch a mouse or rat with household items. Rats and mice often are carriers of disease and can wreak havoc on the electrical wiring, plumbing and insulation of a house. Urine and feces also can lead to foul odor buildup in walls and attics. Don't spend money on traps and poison. You can catch a mouse or rat with household items. Mice and rats always are looking for an easy meal and do most of their mischief during the nighttime hours. Take a few minutes to build a trap that can solve your mouse and rat problems by sunup. The trap can be made to drown or humanely remove the rodents. Things you'll need: plastic pop bottle, carpet knife, broom handle, 5-gallon bucket, cardboard, peanut butter, plastic spoon. Water optional. Cut both ends off a plastic bottle with a carpet knife. Slide a broom handle through the middle of the bottle. Set the broom handle on top of a 5-gallon bucket. Center the bottle in the middle of the bucket opening. Angle a piece of cardboard from the floor to the top lip of the bucket. Fold it over the lip to help hold it in place. Spread 1 teaspoon of peanut butter onto the bottle with a plastic spoon. The mouse or rat will climb the ramp and try to reach for the peanut butter. When the bottle spins, the mouse or rat will fall into the bucket. Fill the bucket with 2 gallons of water if you want to drown the rats and mice. If you don't want to drown them, don't put any water in the bucket. Tips: warnings. You can use a toilet paper roll or an aluminum pop can to just make sure it spins freely. Wear rubber gloves when handling items soiled by rats and mice.